Okay, it's a totally gorgeous day. Spring has sprung. It feels like summer. And I've got some exciting news. I'm in the DIY Hero contest. It's a national contest. And my greenhouse is being featured. I can win $25,000 and also get a feature in Make magazine, which would be huge. So let's see here. Temp is hot. Wow, it's like 92-ish or so. I'm gonna have to open up all these panels because it's too hot now. And let's go inside here. Hopefully, yeah, it's toasty warm in here. You can see the microgreens are not micro anymore. In fact, I think they're macro greens now. Interestingly enough, these pods here are from, which one is it? Purple kohlrabi, radish. These radish pods taste kind of like radishes. It's kind of funny that the seeds that they make taste like the radishes that grow underground. Anyways, thought that was cool. This bed, not doing much. I need to do something with it. This bed is the mushroom bed, and I've already gotten some wine caps out of it. Ooh, there's another one right here in the corner popping out. Some more in that corner. And I need to keep this moist because you don't want the mycelium to dry out. That's some harvest. I just cut down some veggies or some plant matter the other day. You can see the fish seem happy. Oh yeah. The catfish are swimming around. They're getting big. And maybe I'll dip the camera in the pond in a second. Anyways, let's take a quick dip in the pond. Please vote for me. Please have a wonderful day and please grow some food. Thank you.